In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get started with Qualtrics. Whether you're new to the platform or just need a refresher, this guide will help set you up to create and launch effective surveys. Let's dive in. To begin using Qualtrics, you'll first need to log in. Head over to your organization's specific Qualtrics URL. This is usually provided by your company or institution. Enter your credentials, and before you know it, you'll land right on your personalized dashboard. This dashboard is your control center, where you'll manage everything from creating new surveys to analyzing data. Now, with the dashboard in front of you, look for the Create a New Project button. Click on this and you'll be presented with several project options. In our case, we want to focus on surveys, so go ahead and select the survey option. After selecting it, click Get Started to move forward. Naming your project is crucial for organization and tracking, so give your survey a name that clearly identifies its purpose. This will make it easier to find and reference later on. The next step is to start your survey on a blank canvas by selecting Create a Blank Survey Project. This option is perfect if you want to tailor every aspect of your survey from the ground up. Once you've got your blank survey, it's time to add a personal touch with an introduction. Using the text or graphic question type, you can insert introductory text or an image that will provide context or greetings to your survey takers. Building your survey involves inserting a variety of question types. Click the Add New Question button to begin this process. Here, you can choose from multiple choice questions, text entry questions, and many other formats to suit the kind of feedback you're looking to gather. The design of your survey can significantly influence the quality of the data you collect, so consider the questionnaire carefully. As you add questions, it's essential to structure them logically, and that's where blocks come into play. Each block acts as a new page in your survey, helping you to segment different sections for a smoother flow. To create new pages or sections, simply add additional blocks. Before going live, it's crucial to preview your survey. Qualtrics provides a preview feature, which allows you to see exactly how your survey will appear to respondents. This is your chance to spot any errors or make improvements before sharing it with your audience. After previewing, don't skip the vital step of testing your survey. This means going through each question, ensuring that every detail functions correctly, and that the data collected is recorded accurately. Testing helps iron out any glitches that might affect the user experience. Once you're satisfied with how your survey looks and performs, you're ready to start collecting data. Distribute the survey to your desired audience and begin collecting those insightful responses. With these steps, you're now equipped to effectively use Qualtrics for your survey needs. Happy surveying!